is what remains of the 47 acres of straw that was baled. They were made into round bales, straw round bales, and primarily for bedding. If you don't know about what straw is generally used for, it is used for bedding for animals. It's also used in landscaping. So the big round bales are very handy for those that are doing large amounts of bedding or landscaping. We've done those for several years, and we have about 40 left of the 141 that were baled on that acreage. The rest of it we chopped, and I'll show you the rest of that in the fields. But anyway, here it is. This is the straw tucked away, getting ready for sale to the remainder of the buyers. Now this is the end result of after our harvest of the wheat. In these fields here, the straw has been chopped, the wheat has been harvested, and then we didn't bale this area. We didn't need all that straw, so we used the gleaner combine to chop up that straw. Nutrients go back in the ground, it all works out great. But the harvest is done, and we'll get you some video of those fields right now. The old Gleaner L is parked back in the barn, tucked away until soybean harvest. The wheat has been harvested, the straw has been baled, all been tucked away. We've got our double crop soybeans planted. That's a second crop of soybeans for the season. So we plant the wheat and we harvest it around this time in July, and then we plant a second crop, thus the double crop soybeans, and then we'll harvest those in the fall. So all of that is done. It's been a hectic week. There's still guys running out around behind us, trying to get harvest done, and then also trying to get their beans planted. Keep that in mind as you travel around or wherever you are. If you see a tractor or something like that, a combine, be patient with them. They're working hard and trying to take care of their families. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining in with us. It was a pleasure doing our harvest time, and it's just what keeps us going. We love it here on the farm at Bar Run Farm. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you on the next one. God bless. Take care.